when I watch them, when I read them, when I see them. तो जब मेरे पास एक स्क्रिप्ट आती है, मैं एक ऑडियंस की तरह पढ़ती हूँ, फिर अपने बारे में सोचती हूँ. And I genuinely think I'm not just being modest. I've been very lucky. Luck has to do a lot with it as well. Being given the opportunity to play a part like this. And I'm somebody, when I go on set, even though I'm a co-producer on this film, I am the director's, puppet. Like whatever you tell me to do, I will do. And that's why for me the journey of an actor-director is so important. I think every actor will say that. In fact, yesterday only Vasan and I were talking, whatever the fate of the film, I genuinely feel very strongly about the sync that he and I got on this film, prior to the film and on the shooting of the film, and I hold that very close to my heart. So, secret of success and all, ये मुझे पता नहीं है, just very grateful, fingers crossed, keep the head down, keep working and keep moving forward.
So how do you define yourself as an actor?
How do I define myself as an actor? I don't know. It'll be sad to be definable so early on. I think let's maybe have this chat 20 years from now.
Absolutely. And there was one question we were all discussing. If you were to introduce your daughter to one of your movies, which one would that be? The first movie?
Actually,
sorry, can I come with the question again?
Yeah, so your daughter to one of your films, which is the first one you would want her to watch?
I was just discussing this the other day with somebody and I'm not really sure because it's a very difficult, it's a very important decision to make. But just yesterday, she saw my first song which I ever shot in my life, and that's Radha Teri Chunri.
Oh.
So, abhi usko gana thoda dikha rahe and all of that. She's about 2 years old. So, actually the first song she saw was Kesariya, and then yesterday was Radha Teri Chunri and she saw Badtameez Dil at the same time.
Oh.
दोनों के साथ हमारे गाने दिखाते. So she must be thinking, hey, whatever, this is like normal.
Awesome. So Vedant, congratulations. They're calling you the new poster boy of cool because after the suave Regina, we have the Jigra here. So other than Alia and Vasan, what was the thing that drew you to this particular film?
I mean everything about it, but it just I didn't have the privilege to choose from anything that was there that time. This was when I hadn't even been launched yet with Archie's, and at that time this script came to me, and I'd only consider myself the luckiest person in the world to get this film, which was directed by Vasan sir alongside Alia. And yeah, I mean, I think now is when I think you look at scripts and you decide which route to take, what resonates with you the most. But at that time, it was just whatever came to me. I just went with that, and I got lucky.
Awesome. And lastly, Vasan sir, since you've also written it, it's an interesting dynamics because usually you have the brother protecting the sister. So how did this idea come about and directing these two wonderful actors?
I'd written this with my co-writer Debashish, it's his debut as a writer. Wonderful guy. And how did this idea come about? It came across in a conversation with Karan. We were just discussing what are the stories